Here's an example on how Centro with Microsoft Teams and Salesforce can replace using Chatter in your Salesforce instance. In this example, we want to use Microsoft Teams because that's where your workspace collaborates instead of adding a third option of Chatter. In this example, we're going to start on the opportunity where I can create a chat directly from the Salesforce record and add users and members to collaborate on that chat. That chat is going to be created in Microsoft Teams, and that's where the collaboration can happen on this opportunity. You can see that collaboration directly here on the Salesforce record, and I can mention folks that were part of that channel directly from Salesforce. Now, on the Microsoft Teams side, you can see that chat happening and being created, where the right people were added and able to help. Unlike Chatter, I can edit this record directly from Microsoft Teams, honoring my Salesforce permissions. I can go ahead and make changes to the amount and to the stage in this example. The other key piece here is similar to Chatter. When fields are updated, you can have them post directly to the chat that you're working on to make sure that people aren't duplicating efforts when making changes to important Salesforce records, as you can see here. The other piece that's very helpful is though you can use Chatter to collaborate, you can also use channels to bring in the right people at the right time. So in this example, when this opportunity reaches the proposal price quote status, we post it to the deal desk channel, bringing in those folks to the thread as needed. Now, back to the Salesforce opportunity, you can see both of those items linked directly to the Chatter demo opportunity record. We can see here we have the chat, and here we have the deal desk thread, bringing in the right people at the right time to ensure that everyone is collaborating effectively. Similarly, on the case object, we are linking a thread here as you would replace Chatter with the thread of the case channel. Again, I have the ability to @mention and do whatever I need to do directly from Salesforce. Additionally, on the Microsoft Teams side, you can see that thread is being collaborated on, and I can see the message that was posted from Teams. I can also add comments here. To collaborate on this case, replacing Chatter. Additional functionality that's very similar to Chatter is we allow this threaded information to be replicated as case comments if interested. You can see those case comments here, or as a living transcript that lives on the case object as well. So again, replacing Chatter with comments and threads in Microsoft Teams. The last piece I want to touch on is we offer the ability to see all of that information roll up to the account object. So here we have our case that was discussed on the account object, and I can look at that thread directly from the account. I have the Chatter chat where I can see all that information here. And finally, the deal desk thread, making sure nothing is lost when you are navigating to the account to see all of the objects below and the chatter and conversations that are happening between them. Again, this is an example on how you can replace Chatter with Microsoft Teams, Salesforce, and Centro. Please reach out with any questions.